Hi everyone, it's Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Haley Shin, the Operations Commander with Mrs. A here. If you're interested in taking honors physiology or anatomy and physiology, this is a video for you. So let's get right into it. So first question is, how long have you been teaching honors physio?
This is my third year teaching honors physiology.
And for your second question, is there a certain class that you recommend students take or a prerequisite class before taking physio? And if so, what do students learn from those classes that apply to physio?
Okay, I highly recommend that you take biology or advanced biology or even AP biology before you come into physiology, because all of the concepts that you learn in those classes are built upon in our physiology class.
And then for your next questions, what skills should be built for making this or before taking this class, like note taking or like good study habits or like time management, stuff like that?
I think you've named all of them, actually. I recommend all of those things. I also recommend for honors physiology, or I should have even said for AP bio, that if you have an interest in a language, it will help you because a lot of the terminologies are rooted in either Greek or Latin words, and they will build upon each other. So if you learn them in biology and then you bring them to honors physiology, it will help you be successful. I also believe that you will need to spend time studying, which just means reviewing materials, reading our book that is either online or we have a hard copy here at school, though they're a little bit different. But it is important for you to be self-sufficient and self-motivated to learn.
Great. Okay, how much is the homework/weekly workload?
I would honestly say the weekly workload, we get most of our tasks accomplished in class. However, I would say you probably need an hour or two a week to review, make the study guides, or work on any group projects.
And what type of student is this class geared towards? So for example, like a student with high attention to detail or a student who's looking to go into medical or something like that?
Absolutely. Anybody that's looking to go into the medical field, whether that's you want to be a nurse or a dentist, an occupational therapist, a neurosurgeon, even if you want to go into psychology, all of these are classes that will benefit from you having had honors physiology before the first time you see it is in college. So any of those classes I think would be any career in the medical field, or even if you're just really curious or you want to be a veterinarian. Veterinarians, this is an awesome class to take too, because you're learning about one animal system instead of one at a time.
Okay, great. And then for students who have not taken an honors or advanced course before, what would it look like compared to a regular class?
Compared to a regular class, we go into more detail in terms of the processes that occur for anatomy and physiology and how all of the systems and organs work together. We also move at a slightly faster pace than if it were just a regular physiology versus honors.
And then for your final question, are there any general notes that you have about physio that you want students to know?
I want them to know that it is a fun class. We get to do lots of different exploratory activities. Some of them are silly, some of them are very purposeful. Others I think are just fun because you get to work in groups. But I think that if you are looking for a class where you get to learn and also build on your knowledge from biology to then incorporate as you move forward in college, that this is a great class for you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Bye.